Yo, welcome everyone. A new massive triangle can now be forming on Bitcoin and the breakout will be a 20% move. Let me show you because only 1 hour ago I posted on Twitter Bitcoin wouldn't dare front run our level, right? Most probably you know that we have been paying attention to quite a major area of support at approximately 81,000 US dollars. The golden Fibonacci ratio aligning very nicely with the liquidity level exactly at $81,000. And this is also the very important level I have been paying attention to before firing another long or a buy position. If the level is not hit, I am not firing and I am not FOMOing into a brand new long as of right now, and I am still as of right now patient and see if potentially we are going to see another rotation towards downside, take out the liquidity below the recent low, see some kind of a reaction, and only then I would be open to fire another long or a buy position on the Bitcoin chart itself. But if we are right now already going to continue higher and bounce approximately at the area where we are trading as of right now, simply I am not involved in a new position and we are going to look for another rotation towards the top of our significant symmetrical triangle, because the reality as of right now is the price action, it really does look like, is forming a symmetrical triangle with a very nicely respected diagonal area of resistance and also diagonal area of support. Now, additionally, once we are going on the daily time frame, you be the judge, but it really does look like volume has been going lower and lower and lower for the past couple of days. Not only looking on the Bybit chart, also for example, you can go on the Coinbase chart or maybe even on the Bitstamp chart, where clearly it does look like volume on Bitcoin is dropping significantly towards downside, and right now means people are getting bored exactly at this specific area, which means that in the next couple of days, in the next couple of weeks, a significant move is probably going to happen. Now, unfortunately, I do not know if we are going to break towards the upside or break towards downside. However, this specific triangle, unfortunately, does have a higher probability of breaking towards downside. Why so? Because we need to identify our triangle waves when we talk about this exact triangle. And at the moment, we need to say we got our A wave right here, we got our B wave, we got our C wave. As of right now, ideally, I still want this specific low to be taken, but if we are already going to see push towards the upside, our D elite wave is right now being finished, we can be expecting another push towards the upside, and only then a rejection and quite a significant another dump towards downside below our recent low right here. Now, this specific price target of approximately 86,000 US dollars, it is a significant area of resistance that was confirmed only a couple of hours ago, and I am going to show it to you literally in a moment. But now, what is first of all going to be the price target if this specific triangle is going to play out? Now, if we are looking for the break towards downside, in that case, we are talking about the price targets of approximately 66,000 US dollars, which unfortunately it is actually very, very low. And to be honest, this price target right here is not going to be my first take profit area from our short or a sell position. We need to be taking the profits along the way, simply because on the way towards downside, Bitcoin also does have quite a significant monthly high term time frame area of support at 71,400 US dollars. That is why if we are going to be shorting at 86,000 US dollars, we need to be paying ourselves on the way towards downside, but the ultimate price target of the triangle is unfortunately going to be 66,000 US dollars. But now, let me share with you the exact and very important area of resistance you should really pay attention to. Before we do talk about that, right now, smash up the like button because 800 likes are definitely possible, and also subscribe to the channel, and later in the video, we are going to also announce the winner of the 200 US dollar giveaway. So definitely, if you entered the giveaway, stick around. Now, let's talk about a major area of resistance you should really be aware of if Bitcoin is going to see another push toward the upside. In our yesterday's video, we talked about the first level that you should be aware of, and it's simply going to be the point of control at 84,000 US dollars, and it's aligning perfectly also with a significant anchored VWAP when we anchor it exactly before this significant drop. And at the moment, you can clearly see both of those levels are very nicely aligning at 84,000 US dollars. I still do think this level right here is the first area of resistance. However, if we are going to see a rejection already at this specific level and then see push towards downside, clearly Bitcoin is not going to hit the top of our symmetrical triangle. So maybe if we right now go higher and then lower, we can still talk about, as we said before right here, our D-elite wave that is then going to be finished at this specific area, and then another rotation towards the upside for our E-elite wave. And this specific level right here is an even bigger area of resistance you should really pay attention to because it was confirmed only a couple of hours ago. And of course, I am talking about a brand new weekly high-term time frame area of resistance that is right now being confirmed at approximately, let's just say, 86,000 US dollars. Let's put this level on our chart, but because it's the weekly, it's not really going to be like the strongest level. We need to find confluence at this specific area. We need to find other reasons why people potentially are going to start selling exactly at this specific area of resistance. Now, historically speaking, what you're going to notice, our previous lows, our previous high, and also our previous lows were formed exactly at this specific area. That right now means buyers came in the market exactly right here, sellers came in the market exactly right here. That is also going to be one of the reasons why the weekly level is such an important level. But not only that, what if we go with our Fibonacci retracement from our swing high back towards our swing low? In that case, we can talk about the perfect alignment with the golden Fibonacci ratio and our weekly high-term time frame area of resistance. So you can clearly, as of right now, see that this specific level is a no-joke level, and definitely, if we are then going to see another push towards the upside for our E-elite wave, I am maybe even going to be interested to fire another short or a sell position, simple invalidation level above the golden Fibonacci ratio, unfortunately targeting clearly another lower low, or if then another lower low right here is then going to be formed, we can potentially even be looking towards the monthly high-term time frame area of support at 71,400 US dollars. Now, why some kind of a bounce in the next couple of days, in the next couple of hours, at least in my opinion, is very, very likely, is also because we confirmed a brand new CME gap. Remember the CME gap from only 1 week ago. Bitcoin definitely formed it on Monday. We got a push toward the upside, but 90% of all of the CME gaps get filled sooner rather than later. That is why we got a reversal towards downside, but as of right now, clearly you can see another gap is formed exactly at this specific area, and it does start at approximately 84,000 US dollars. That right now means a 90% chance of Bitcoin seeing a push toward the upside towards 84,000 US dollars. Now, unfortunately, I don't know if we go right now literally straight towards the upside and then potentially a rejection right here, or if we are going to literally explode towards the golden Fibonacci ratio. Nevertheless, my ideal scenario is then going to still be we take the lows right here, we hit our major support area, and only then do see this bigger rotation towards the golden Fibonacci ratio or our weekly level at 86,000 US dollars. This is exactly where I am going to be looking for brand new trades. Long position only at the area of support, or a short or a sell position only at the area of resistance. And right now, it is time to announce the winner of the $200 US giveaway. With the $200 US, you can literally open another free trade, maybe apply 10x, 100x leverage to it, and you can enter a 20,000 US dollar position, maybe a long right here, maybe even a short or a sell position. So definitely good luck to everyone. I'm literally going to shuffle every single name right here and click to spin. Let's see who is right now the second winner of our $200 US giveaway, and it does look like the winner is Bruh. Congratulations, man. You are going to get $200 deposited directly to your BitUnix account. And by the way, in the next couple of days, I am going to do another giveaway. So make sure you're creating your account on BitUnix, no KYC, no VPN, an $8,500 free bonus. And additionally, only by today, you are still getting VIP level 3 and 10 USDT only on a sign up, and also a 20% deposit bonus. Now, unfortunately, the campaign is live only by the end of the day, so make sure you are taking advantage of those insane free bonuses, because in the next couple of days we are going to do another $200 giveaway. Now let's talk about another very important thing, which is going to be Q1 returns for Bitcoin and Ethereum, and later I'm also going to share with you my exact plan for Ethereum and XRP, what I think can happen with both of those altcoins. Now, if we are paying attention to the tweet that was posted only a couple of minutes ago by Dan Crypto Trades, he's right now saying the first quarter of 2025 is coming to an end. Bitcoin, worst Q1 since 2018 and 2020. Overall, quarter not horrible. Ethereum, worst Q1 since 2018, worst overall quarter in 2.5 years. So yes, I would definitely agree with him. It does look like the results of Q1 are not really the best. But the reality is, before Q1, we were expecting Bitcoin and Ethereum to ideally have quite good results in Q1 2025. Unfortunately, that is right now not the case, but the thing is, we need to base our predictions on the historical data, and we should not say to ourselves, this time is different. We look at the historical data, and if we are talking about the statistical edge, yes, it did look like we should be seeing quite a nice push towards the upside, not only on Bitcoin, but of course also on Ethereum in Q1. But now, unfortunately, reality is, it is not performing as we actually expected. However, I would still say, because we stick to the statistical edge, that is the right thing to do. Yes, of course, the probabilities were in our favor, but as of right now, unfortunately, we are of course seeing quite a significant push towards downside on both of those assets. Hopefully, in the future, maybe Q2 for Bitcoin and Ethereum are going to be slightly more bullish. Now, what is going to be another some kind of a very small bullish indication for Ethereum, or I would actually say literally for the entire cryptocurrency market? It is going to be that Bitcoin is seeing some reversal signals on RSI, money flow, and also on MACD indicator on the 4-hour time frame. You can see that only a couple of hours ago we were trading at the oversold area, and additionally MACD indicator is as of right now still seeing this higher low being formed, while Bitcoin got another lower low. So this right here is going to be a bullish divergence. But unfortunately, on the other hand, if we are talking about our exponential moving averages, all of them are saying to us we are moving in a significant downtrend. On the 4-hourly, on the 2-hourly, on the 1-hourly time frame, EMAs are as of right now clearly saying to us we are moving in a significant downtrend on Bitcoin, on Ethereum, and of course also on the XRP price. All of the major assets, all of the major cryptocurrencies are moving in a significant downtrend. But on the other hand, some reversal signals are happening on RSI, money flow, and MACD. So once again, ideally, this right here is going to be my exact plan. If we do see another push towards the downside in the next couple of hours, ideally below our recent low, we hit the major area of support, we have some reversal signals on the RSI, money flow, and MACD indicator, I am still looking to fire another long or a buying position exactly at this specific area. If we do not see push towards downside, of course, then we are simply going to look for higher, and we also know exactly what are our higher targets. Approximately $84,000, or a bigger area of resistance at approximately $86,000. I am only prepared to trade the biggest levels. That being said, long right here, or potentially a short or a sell position at $86,000. If those levels right here are not going to be hit, I am not taking any trades. We are being patient, and right now we are simply observing what Bitcoin is going to do next. We know exactly our plan. We know also where we are going to be wrong in a case we are going to then potentially literally break our support area right right here, in that case, I am going to get stopped out of my long or buying position, but nevertheless, your risk management with all of the trades you're entering definitely should be in place. Now, let me also share with you what has been happening with Ethereum and also with XRP. Yesterday on Twitter, I posted a very important chart for Ethereum where I actually said a big bounce on Ethereum is very much possible, not the area to look for shorts. Taking the low and pump it would be an ideal scenario. Of course, this is exactly where most will flip bearish. At the moment, it still looks like Ethereum is dropping quite significantly towards downside. Of course, it is following Bitcoin, but again, the ideal scenario on Ethereum, it is still going to be take out the low right here at 1,743 US dollars. We are then going to finish, hopefully, our B elite wave, and only then pump it towards the upside. Similarly, what we are also expecting to happen with the Bitcoin chart itself. For XRP, we also hit quite an important level, 0.786, the anchored VWAP, and also the daily level right here, the exact level I mentioned only a couple of days ago. But once again, if Bitcoin is going to be able to see another push towards downside, XRP most probably taking the low once again, maybe some kind of a liquidity grab, and in that case, we can also be interested to fire another long position on XRP right here, long position on Ethereum, and of course, once again, a long position on Bitcoin. Again, I am trading only if the levels are going to be hit, but once again, remember, if our plan is going to fail, make sure you are setting a stop loss below the area of support, because losing this specific support level right here, significant bearish indication, and only in that case, we are most probably looking for a bigger drop towards downside on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and also I would literally say on the entire cryptocurrency market. That is why, if you want to, as of right now, still get a free insane bonus right here, no KYC, no VPN, click the second link down below, where we are also only today get VIP level 3 and 10 USDT only on a sign up. And additionally, thank you for smashing up the like button.